Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and today I will show you how to convert an OFX file to CSV format on Mac. We will use OFX to CSV converter, and you can download it at propersoft.net. Once downloaded and installed, start OFX to CSV and select an OFX file. You can review transactions before converting, and you can select how you would like to create your CSV or Excel file. It's going to be a CSV file with all columns, Excel file, or specific software CSV file like Quickbooks Online CSV file that has only columns that Quickbooks Online needs. And then there's also a checkbox called Open After Save. What it does is it asks you operating system macOS to open that CSV file with default application that installed on your computer. So it could be Excel, it could be numbers, it could be accounting software that imports CSV files. So if you just want to create CSV file, uncheck this box and click the convert button, confirm the file name and the file location, and your file is created. You can look here. This is your CSV file, and for Quickbooks Online, only date, description, and amount is required. So these are only columns that included in the output CSV file. Thank you for watching.